What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1977 Corvette. This is a special edition, guys. Not the car, the video. I got a little surprise for y'all. One of my buddies' birthdays were yesterday, and he was a huge part of the success of making this channel happen. He taught me a lot. All right, guys, let's get back to the car. This one's got a 350 under the hood. Power steering, runs nice and smooth. AC compressor right here. We'll be checking everything over from the headlights to all the drivetrain. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos every day. Check us out at maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, all of our inventory. All right, guys, about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, we're gonna look around the interior on this one. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? This thing's pretty nice inside. Go ahead and start it up. The buzzer's working. Fasten your seatbelt light. The tach's coming up. It's showing 48,000 miles on the dash. Water temp's up. Oil pressure's up. We got some gas now because I did this video a little backwards. Let's see. Let's turn the AC on. The AC's cutting on. I heard the compressor kick on. Power windows. They're flying up. Goodness. Oh yeah. All right, guys, special edition. I got something I purchased for one of my buddies for his birthday. Let's go ahead and get him in here. Oh yeah, look, telescoping. Let's see about this horn. Oh no, come on. Horn and radio. Maybe the radio works.
Must be
radio works. All right, let's find old Derek.
What up, what up? I don't know how to open this.
Just push down on.
Good start.
Never rode in one of these, have you?
I have not.
This is my buddy Derek.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
He's gonna ride with us today. Y'all should check him out, Fusion Kid. He's got a YouTube channel on here, and he walks around the car lot on Sundays, I believe. I see him up here all the time on Sundays.
Yeah, make sure everybody's not here when I film, so I'm not in the way.
Right. Well, we're gonna head this way. We gotta stop and get gas first. Apparently this one's almost out.
All right. Everybody watch out.
And it was his birthday yesterday. Woo! It was pretty cool. Now he's getting old.
Yeah.
I think you're older than me.
A year older and a year uglier.
So far on this car, looks like all of our gauges are working. Volts, our oil pressure, water temperature, gas gauge, RPMs, and the speedo. Kick down is hooked up.
It's fast.
Gee, you like that?
Yeah. Holy crap.
Guess I'm gonna need to get over one more, so I'm gonna have to wait for all this traffic.
If you're in a muscle car, people will let you over.
Hopefully.
Just wait up.
Turn signals are popping up on the dash as well. The 350Z did let us over. Heck yeah. We're gonna pull in the gas station. We'll double check the gas gauge, but it is floating around on E, so I do believe it works.
All right, that's a good sign.
Whew.
Right.
All right, we're gonna get some gas and we'll continue this ride.
That's awesome. Needs to be in a video.
Okay, guys, our gas gauge is at half a tank now. Every gauge works on this car. We're good there.
And it does look good on the outside, I can confirm. Sure you did a walk around, or going to.
Yeah, I'm going to. I ain't done nothing yet. I just jumped in the car and took off with you.
Right here. Kick down works. Or whatever you call it.
You'll feel it.
I don't know all the lingo, but I just know it's pretty and it's fast.
turns.
Yeah.
It's going straight as an arrow.
Yeah, sensitive steering for sure. I don't know what all these are. I think you just explained those.
Yeah, they're all labeled too.
Okay. 0 to jail in like 5 seconds. Or less, maybe.
It's definitely nice. Guys, I didn't tell you, this is we played in a band forever when we were younger.
Yeah.
He's our bass player. He did all kinds of press kits and everything else too for us.
Yeah. Got on the radio, all kinds of cool stuff.
Yeah, it was fun.
Played a lot of shows in Nashville.
100 a year. Fun stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
He actually got me into this YouTube thing too. He mentioned it. He went to Belmont and was like, hey, you ought to get on YouTube with these cars.
So some of you really, really old school viewers may remember back in like 2014, we were like posting some videos at the lot and, you know, didn't really take off. And so we kind of put a hiatus on it and then just recently got back into it and it's exploded for Nick. It's crazy.
Start posting every day. Before we was only posting like once a week. Now I post every day. Like,
I remember when you wouldn't even, you hadn't even showed your face in a video yet.
Yeah. just this week, the first Monday and Tuesday, there's 23 videos were posted.
Jeez.
In 2 days. It was crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I was working late a lot.
So make sure you subscribe. Get this guy to 250,000 subscribers.
That'd be great.
I know he'll be there in no time anyway, but
I'm in no rush. It's hard to get back to everybody's comments.
right.
So yeah, we've still been rolling around. Engine temperature's right at 190. It's doing good. Oil pressure's at 40. This thing's nice and smooth.
Yeah, I was about to say smooth ride.
First time Corvette experience period. Have you ever been in
I've
one?
never ridden in a Corvette before.
There we go.
Never.
Should have took the T-tops out. They wouldn't have been able to hear us.
Right. They can hear even with the windows down, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gotta yell.
Yeah.
We're not gonna go too much further. We're gonna go up here to the parking lot and I gotta run inside. So you don't mind staying with the car for a second?
That's fine. Do I mind sitting in a Corvette? No, not at all.
You know how it is. I come out and there'll be people all in it.
Yeah.
All over it. Let's go for it.
Oh gosh.
I don't think they want to jump out. Okay, so what he doesn't know is I just bought him a new GoPro. He helped me out get started. It's his birthday yesterday. I kind of wanted to give back to him, so we're going into Best Buy here. I already ordered this GoPro. It should be waiting. Let's check it out. Brand new GoPro. That's what I use, guys. Okay, so I guess what I'm gonna do is just be like, hey, hold this. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, same to you.
A Porsche guy? Here, hold this.
Yeah. The guy sitting next to us.
Since you helped me get started, doing all this shit, man, been wanting to get back to you, and you were talking about stuff, and I seen your birthday. Yeah. That's yours. I just got it for you today.
I haven't looked at it. Okay. So what? Dude, no way.
Yeah, man.
You're joking.
It's yours. I know you've been wanting one. They're sick. I love them.
Heck yes, dude. Yes.
I knew you wanted one. I love them, man. They got everything you need.
I was about to say, he's sitting here with an old Hero 3 in my pocket from 2012.
I'll still give you that charger for it if you want it.
Dude, this is is this real life?
Yeah, man. You taking care of me. Anytime I had questions about this YouTube thing when I was getting started, you were like, oh, hey. I think you probably got fucking... Sorry, guys. I need to put a beep in there.
I can beep it out for you. Yo.
Probably
this
got
guy right here
30 hours in just helping me.
Jeez, this is incredible, man. I can't thank you.
Well, happy birthday, man. It's a birthday present.
Oh, yeah, I better put my seatbelt on. Got too distracted. Wow. Yo, this is... this literally, I'm not even joking. I think this is going to change my life.
It is. I love it. I love it.
I do real estate videos, and the quality on that 3 is just like...
No, man, it's this is an awesome world. Set it on 1080p and regular lens. Sometimes people think I'm using filters. I don't use filters.
Doesn't need it, probably.
No. No, it's crystal clear. I love it.
Yes.
The Corvette was just a bonus.
Yeah, there you go.
This thing drives awesome, guys. You know how I am. I try to be as truthful as I can. This thing's nice and smooth. This is a good car. If you're interested in this car, definitely check out both videos. We're heading back to the car lot now. Woo! Yes. This is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to put the drive-by videos and all the outside videos at the end. So hopefully y'all enjoy it. Maybe I'll chop it up, put some at the beginning too. One more kick down. Is that a cop? Yeah. Heck yeah. Well, if we didn't rush, your car should be washed too.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's why I was trying to get you to leave the keys.
Dude, I almost felt ashamed to drive it here because it was dirty, and I was like, man.
He bought it from us. Oh, Crown Vic.
Yeah.
It should be ready back here. Hopefully.
Dude, I'm getting the VIP treatment.
Good job, Bernie. It's all clean.
Wow.
Got her cleaned up.
I wanted my key.
Yeah, we had to get your keys too.
Oh man, it was in the way. I had to move.
Get you a bath and go out and scare people on your cop car.
Dude, got my new dash cam.
Yeah.